Klöckner, Humboldt, Deutz AG, showing Deutz diesel engines, pioneers in progress. The Klöckner Humboldt Deutz AG are the oldest internal combustion engine manufacturers in the world. Today, they are one of the world's largest makers of diesel engines with outputs of from 3 to 2,000 German horsepower, which are suitable for all uses imaginable. One of the most up-to-date workshops is used for series production of the smaller types of air-cooled diesels. 3 types of air-cooled Deutz diesel engines are built here with outputs of from 5 to 300 German horsepower. The Deutz diesel was the first air-cooled diesel engine of this size and cylinder capacity to be built in large series. Every Deutz engine undergoes a trial run on the large test beds and is carefully examined and tested at numerous checkpoints by skilled mechanics and engineers. The air-cooled Deutz diesel engine opened a new era in the history of motorization. Since 1948, more than 250,000 units have proved themselves time and again in all parts of the world in any kind of weather, from tropical heat to Arctic cold. In the great shop of the Deutz tractor factory, the course of production can be followed clearly from manufacture and origin of the components right up to final assembly. You can almost watch the tractor taking shape step by step. A system of rails on the ground and conveyor chains are efficiently completed by overhead conveyors and cranes. Components and part assemblies are brought to the main production line from side tracks. The machines are grouped close to one another, and hundreds of hands and mechanisms are at work, finally leading to the different types of tractors which emerge at the end of the shop. Deutz has contributed towards the progress in harvesting machines, marked by the introduction of combines and field chopping machines. They have developed the free power takeoff shaft and creep speeds, which are built organically into the transmission and are adjusted to the working speeds of these machines. This gigantic plow cuts to a depth of 33 inches for a working width of 18 inches and weighs 2 tons. It is highly efficient. Hundreds of Deutz tractors are continually shipped to all parts of the world from the Deutz Rhine harbor nearby. More than 40% of contractors' machinery in Germany is equipped with air-cooled Deutz diesels. Competition in the building trade is intense and demands extensive use of highly specialized machines equipped with sturdy and rugged diesel engines. These Deutz crawler tractors, with outputs of from 60 to 90 German horsepower, are ready for operation at any time and are extremely versatile. They are of great necessity in excavation work on building sites, also for scarifying, grading, loading, etc., under the most arduous working and soil conditions. Other up-to-date assembly lines for air-cooled engines can be seen in our works at Ulm. The Ulm works of Klöckner Humboldt Deutz AG manufacture commercial vehicles, all-wheel drive vehicles, tippers, buses, public utilities, and fire brigade vehicles with air-cooled Deutz diesel engines. Magirus Deutz commercial vehicles are manufactured on the assembly lines in highly modernized workshops. Magirus vehicles for fire brigades are known all over the world. With almost a century's experience in manufacture of firefighting equipment behind them, Magirus Deutz products have attained a degree of technical perfection which is highly esteemed by all fire brigades. This is the largest firefighting vehicle in the world. Magirus Deutz vehicles with all-wheel drive are sturdy and indestructible and have proved themselves again and again in all parts of the world. Deutz air-cooled diesels have found preference in the oil fields of many countries owing to their independence of cooling agents. The great Norddeich wireless station is equipped with a Deutz diesel engine. In this case, utmost reliability is of greatest importance. A heavy Deutz diesel engine in a waterworks. Deutz have supplied over 7,000 mine locomotives since 1896. The individual requirements of the users are very important in the case of the larger locomotives. Our diesel locomotives for harbour and industrial railways, for line and shunting service, for shunting work on sidings, for traction service on main and branch lines, are equipped with air and water-cooled engines with outputs of from 23 to 2,000 German horsepower. A workshop for heavy diesel engines. The engines built here are intended for factories, power stations, and for marine propulsion. They have outputs up to 2,000 German horsepower. Deutz marine diesels are the approved main propulsion units installed in numerous representative new ships all over the world. Today, Deutz supply diesel engines rating from 3 to 2,000 German horsepower for all land and marine purposes. With their wide production range of diesel engines, Klöckner Humboldt Deutz AG of Germany are furthering progress in the world of today.